In this lecture, we are going to see how to add the heading tags and meta description text to your post. First, let's start with how we can add H1 and H2 tags in your post. Unlike meta descriptions or other SEO technical factors, you don't need a separate plugin to insert these heading tags. For a bunch of paragraphs, add a consolidated title or heading like this. Either insert a new heading block or select the text and transform it to heading block. Then give or assign it as heading 2 or subheadings like heading 3 or heading 4, etc. But I do recommend to keep only one heading 1 in your entire post, and you can assign multiple heading 2 and heading 3 tags to several other headings. Generally, most themes make the title as heading 1. To check that, preview your post. Right click on the title and select Inspect. Check if it is surrounded by H1 tags. Else, switch to some other SEO optimized theme that assigns H1 tags to title. Alternatively, you can add only one heading 1 within the body of your post. These tags will inform the search engine that this is H3 tag or this is H2 tag, etc. You can even verify it by going to HTML mode or code editor. See, to go to this code editor mode, click on this menu button and click on code editor. And you can see that 4 conditions to choose your first competitor title is surrounded by H2 tags, front and back. This will say to the search engine that this title belongs to a heading 2 tag. Now let's go back to this visual editor. To add meta descriptions, there are two ways. The most popular way is to use the description field in the SEO plugin like Yoast SEO. We have discussed the installation and configuration of Yoast SEO in other sections of the course. So let me skip that part and jump straight into how to add meta description with Yoast SEO plugin. If you scroll below the body of the post, you will find this Yoast SEO snippet editor. Click on this edit snippet button. Here you will get the meta description text box. You can add your own custom meta description for each post or page under this corresponding Yoast SEO snippet editor. If you haven't got any SEO plugin like Yoast SEO, then install it and follow the procedure that's said above. Let me tell the other method to add meta description, though I don't recommend you to follow this upcoming method too. If you come to this sidebar, that is under document, find excerpts tab. It's almost same as the Yoast SEO meta description box. You can give your custom meta description here. Now you know how to add heading tags and meta description to your posts or pages. Earlier, while analyzing the research data, you might have wondered that the percentage of existence of heading tags or meta description is increasing gradually from last search result to second search result. But why there is a sudden drop in the first search result? So, in the next lecture, let's see why the first search result doesn't mingle with the factors that we see from the second to the last one.